Who loves that? I love it.
I also love it.
I love it. Ali, do you love stories? Everyone loves stories. Okay.
I love
Yes. I love telling stories, and Neha ma'am loves reading stories. A lot of stories that we have exchanged. Yes, Tanushi, do you want to say anything? Do you also love stories? Yes, yes, everyone loves stories. Okay, so the game is super easy, super duper easy. Okay, but a little interesting also, because we do a lot of math classes. So what we are going to do, we are going to put a math word in each and every story. Okay, should we begin? Can I
Yes.
share my screen? Okay, let's go ahead and share my screen. I'm just explaining one rule to you, and then Neha ma'am is going to explain. Okay, so listen to her very carefully. Let me share my screen. Yes. So here is the name of our game. This is called story flashcards. Okay, what are flashcards? We will have cards like this, and there will be words written on it. Okay, I will show you how. So we have four cards here. Can everyone see my screen? If you can't, just let me know, okay? So we have four cards here. In the first card, there are six children. In the second card, there is a playground where a lot of swings you can see. The third word is the word play, and the fourth card says the number 5, okay? What we have to do now, the rule is very simple. You have to use all these four cards in your story and make a very short story. Okay, I will begin with my story this time, and next time all of you can try. Okay, so my story is: six children live in a society very close to each other's house, and every day they go to playground at 5 o'clock in the evening to play for 1 hour. I use the word play, I use the number 5, I use the picture of playground, I use the word playground, and I use six children in my story. My story was a very small one, but you can definitely make a big story. Okay, now all of you have the same story set cards. I want everyone to take few seconds and then make their own story. Okay, a different story. You cannot take my story. Make a different story. I'm giving 1 minute to everybody, and then I'm going to listen to all of you. Okay, if you are ready with your story, you can raise your hand. There are six children, playground, the word play, and the number 5. Okay, a lot of kids are ready. Can I stop sharing my screen? Because I want to listen to everybody's story. Okay, Lavia still wants to see. I'm going to count till 10 in my head, and then I'll start. Okay, if you know the story, just keep raising your hand. Okay, I think I can stop sharing my screen and we can go ahead. Okay, so I am going to begin line wise. The first person on my screen is Aditya. Aditya, yes. Are you ready with your story?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Okay. I have six children playing in the playground for for in in 5 o'clock.
Okay,
Okay.
and anything else?
No.
Okay, I'll come to everyone. Okay, you can put your hands down. I know everyone has raised their hand, so you can put your hands down. We'll come to everybody. Okay, so Aditya says Aditya has six children. Aditya, can I say you have six friends?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
six friends. All of you go to playground at 5 o'clock to play, right? That's how you made your story.
Yes.
Okay, let's come to Ananya and Hirath. Hirath, what's your story? We'll come to everyone one by one. You can put your hands down. We'll listen to everyone's stories. Yes, Hirath. Hirath, I can't hear you.
I just wanted to say something.
Okay.
After the stories that you were telling us before, after that we will make our own stories.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. And next time I will tell my story in the end. Neha ma'am will tell her story in the end. You will be the first ones to go. Okay. So Ananya and Hira, do you want to share your story right now?
Yes.
Yes. Tell us one by one. Yes. Go ahead, Ananya. You go ahead.
One day, 6 children went to the playground to play at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And,
Yes.
and one of them slipped and fell from the slide.
Oh
Oh.
no. Then?
And it broke a leg, the leg bone. And then the mother got him to the hospital. Then the doctor checked and wrapped his leg and said he can't go to the playground for 5 days.
Okay. And anything else?
No.
Okay, Hirat, yes, you go ahead. So we are going to make it a little quick because everyone is waiting for their turns, okay? So Hirat, yes, you go ahead. Do you want to take some time? Okay. Tanushree, you go ahead with your story. What's your story? Unmute yourself. Hirat, I'll come to you after this now.
Me, ma'am.
No, Tanushri.
Tanushree,
We will come to you, Tanishka.
hello. What is your name?
Sunidhi.
Sunidhi. Hi,
Hi,
Sunidhi.
Sunidhi.
How are you?
Hi.
So we are making some short stories, okay? Everyone is telling their stories. Listen to this and then I'll tell you the rules, okay? Okay. Yes. Tanushri, yes. Go ahead quickly.
There were 7 girls.
Okay.
They all go to the park one day.
Okay. Very good.
Have a lot of fun.
Very good. And
They were playing games.
yes. Anything else? Okay. Tanushri, one thing. The number 5 card was also there. You had to use that, okay? And there were 6 children. So next time when you make a story, remember that, okay? Your story was wonderful, but remember that also. Could you? Okay. Let's come to Ridhan and Sejal. Yes. Hazel. Sorry. Yes.
Who will tell first?
One by one. Okay. Hazel, you go first.
Chalo, सुनाओ.
There were 5 kids. The teacher was teaching the 5 kids.
And
One boy was fell in the ground.
okay, one boy fell in the ground. Okay,
And the teacher called the mother. And the mother came and said, what happened, kids? And then Mama take the kid to the hospital. Then the doctor check his weight. Then there were 5 kids crying. For them.
oh my God, that's it. Okay, very interesting. Yes,
Chalo,
Ridhan,
now your turn.
you go ahead.
You tell.
There were 6 kids and they want to play for 5 hours in the playground.
Wonderful. Okay, yes, Lavya, your turn.
Can I use flashcards for emotions?
Yes, you can. The only rule is you have to use these 4 cards. Okay, you can use anything apart from this.
There were 6 children. They go to playground. They were excited. One day they go to the playground. 5 kids more join them.
Wanna write a story with me, Coco?
And they have fun.
I'm gonna write a story, but I don't know if you'll like it.
And
What spies?
And they have fun.
very good. Lovely, lovely. Did you make this emotion card?
No.
But that was a wonderful idea. Right, Neha ma'am?
Yes.
We loved it. We loved it. Okay, Tanishka, your story.
I have 11.
Oh, Lavya, we would love to discuss it. Okay, after the session, we can see it. Okay, yes, Tanishka, you go ahead.
There were 6 children. They were playing in the playground. They were very hungry. A girl have got 5 apples. They eat the apples.
Very nice.
Very
Wonderful.
nice.
Okay, Hirat, would you like to tell your story now? Hirat, I can't hear you.
And then they started to play. One was sitting on the swing and it fell off the swing.
Why are all the kids falling in the playground? 3 children have already fell. Hazel said the same thing. Ananya said the same thing, Hirat. But okay, try to take care of yourself. Yes, Hirat, continue.
And then
Yes.
that toy got hurt.
Okay. Okay. Kushak, would you like to tell your story now?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
One day, 5 kids were playing in the park, and one kid fell down. And the mom take his hospital, and the doctor said he can't go 5 days hospital. Go park.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ali, your turn. Your story. You can unmute yourself and then tell.
I think his network.
बच्चे
Yeah.
Yes. Ali, continue. Ananya, after this. I think his video is frozen.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Nidhi, would you also like to tell your story from this round?
playground.
Yes. Ali, I think there is a network problem. Can you join again? Is it okay if you join again? Okay. Okay. Yes, Ananya, would you like to say something before we go to the next round?
Your foot was broken and your video was freezing, and I think your internet is unstable, it says.
Oh, yes, yes. That is quite possible. That is quite possible. Thanks. I will just switch to the other network. Okay. So I'm going ahead sharing my screen. Listen to the second round carefully. Neha ma'am is telling you the rules. Okay. Neha ma'am, please clear the rules to Sunidhi. She has just started. Okay.
Okay.
Next set of story cards are here. Yes. Neha ma'am, you tell your story in the end. Okay.
Yes. So Sunidhi, here are 4 set of cards. Okay. You have to use all the set of cards here and make your own story, a short one. Okay. So here in the cards, we have a mother and a child. Okay. And we have a word by. We have a ice cream, and there is an ice cream shop. Now you have to use all these 4 cards and make a short story. And I will tell mine later, in the end, after hearing your story. Now you have 1 minute and make your own story using all these 4 cards.
The babe,
Okay.
the baby was crying to buy ice cream,
Yes.
and mother gone to ice cream shop and buy one ice cream.
Very
Very
good,
good.
Sunidhi. Can we stop sharing our screen so that we can see all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Aditya is ready. Aditya, tell us your story.
One day, Mummy was going for the walk with her baby, and then the baby pointed at the ice cream shop, and baby asked for the ice cream. Mummy went into the ice cream shop and bought the ice cream for the baby.
Very good, Aditya. That was a nice story. So now Hirit is ready. Ananya is ready. Hirit, do you want to share your story? Yes, tell us.
Once there was a baby and a mother. The baby wanted ice cream, so both of them went to the ice cream shop to get an ice.
Very nice.
Okay,
Now,
okay. One thing before we move ahead, everyone can put down their hands because we know everyone has
yeah,
the stories ready. So we'll come to all of you one by one. And okay, yes. Ananya, you can go ahead. One very important thing is try to use at least one number in your story. Okay, one number at a time. Like one ice
yes.
cream or two ice creams, any number you can use on anything about math you can use in your story. Yes, Ananya, go ahead.
Once there was a baby and a mother. They were going for a walk. And one day, the baby, when they were going for a walk, the baby saw a ice cream shop, and she pointed to the ice cream. But the mother said, "No ice cream, no ice cream. Enough of ice cream for the day. You've had so many ice creams." But the baby cried and cried until the mother got the ice cream for her. And then the baby stopped crying, and then they had the ice cream together.
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, Lavya, you want to
Now,
go next? Yes, go ahead.
There was a baby and a mama in a house. One day, mama and baby went for a walk. Then it was a very hot day, so they wanted to eat many ice. So the child wanted to eat many ice creams, but mama said only one. Thank you. And
very
the child
nice,
was
Navya.
and the child was very happy.
Very
Oh,
nice.
very nice.
Okay.
Tanushri, your turn next. Are you ready with your story? Yes, tell us.
There was 8 girls. There,
Yes.
was one girl's birthday.
Yes,
Okay.
There was cake.
Okay.
There were gifts.
Okay. Okay.
And how?
That's it.
Tanushri, do you remember the rule? We had to use all the 4 cards in our story. There were a mother and baby card, ice cream shop, and there was one more card.
There was a word by.
Word by, yes. So you had to use all the 4 cards in your story. Okay, I'm giving some more time to you. Think about it, and then we'll come back to you for the same story. Tanishka, your turn. Go ahead.
There was a mother and a baby. Baby want to eat ice cream. Mother saw a ice cream shop. Mother get 2 ice creams and the baby and the mother say bye to the man who give them 2 ice creams. They eat the ice creams and go to their home.
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, Kushag, you want to go next?
One day, Mama going for a walk with baby and he found the ice cream shop and the mama chooses one favorite ice cream and the baby tells his favorite ice cream and they go for a walk and they see another deer which hungry and they gave her one ice cream. Then they go ahead and see another ice cream shop and buy other ice cream and they go house and eat them all. Thank you.
Very nice, Kushal. Ali, do you want to share your story now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, tell us your story.
बेबी को चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम पसंद है, इसी के लिए वो अपनी मम्मी के साथ 2 आइसक्रीम शॉप से खरीदने जा रहा है.
Very nice. Now, Ridan and Hazel, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Who wants to go next?
Can you start, Krida? Start.
Okay, Ridan, you go first. Tell us your story.
So baby wants an ice cream. Then mama bought one ice cream from the ice cream shop.
Very nice. And Hazel, do you want to share your story?
Yes.
Tell your story.
One day, the baby was hungry. Mama buy a ice cream for the baby. Then, the baby was very happy. Then they go in the house and eat it.
Very nice.
We have one more person. Somebody is there with the name Ayan. Can you also share your story? You're on mute. Can you switch on your video as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Ayan.
Hi, ma'am.
We are doing a storytelling session. Everyone is telling their stories, okay? So, next round, we are going to start and Neha ma'am will tell you the rules and then we can go ahead, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But, because this is the third round and everyone knows how to make the story, so I'm going to add a little twist here, okay? The interesting part is now your story should have at least 5 lines, okay? You have to tell 5 lines about your story. 5 small lines, very short lines, but your story should have 5 lines, okay? And your story should have a number also, at least one number, okay? So all the cards will be shown on the screen. Neha ma'am will tell you the rules and then we can go ahead, okay? And when you raise your hand, your story should be ready. And Tanushri, you are going to go next. So please be ready with your story. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Let's go ahead. And everyone can please keep themselves on mute. Okay, yes.
Okay. So here also we have 4 cards. Here we have a family where where there is a word walk and a playground and a number 6. So you have to make a story using all these 4 cards, and you have to add one number also. Okay? We will give you 1 minute. You have to share your story after 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I go to pee?
Yes, Kushal.
Remember the rule, 5 sentences, 1 minute, one math number is important. Everyone should be ready with your story like this, okay? Take your time, make the story properly.
Tanushi, remember, we have to use all these cards, okay? And you have to make the story with using these 4 cards only, and the one number, mathematical number, okay? Yes.
Can I stop sharing my screen? I think I can.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I've stopped sharing my screen. Everyone, some people are ready with their stories. Some people can take time. Now, I wanted to share something, okay? Last time I listened to everyone's stories, a lot of stories were very same. Mama and baby went to walk. They bought ice cream. Baby cried. Try to make your story very different. Like everyone here is very different. Aditya is a different person. So Nidhi is a different person, Lavya is a different person, everyone is a different person, okay? So when you make your story should be as different. I want, if there are 10 people here, so I want 10 different stories, okay? And you can put your hands down because we are coming to you one by one. Your hand will get tired and then you'll say, my hand is aching. We don't want to do that. You can put your hands down. Either put your hands down. We'll start with you. Okay. Should we start? Okay, we are going to begin with Hazel Kridan and then Tanushri go next and then we'll go ahead. Okay? Yes, Hazel, unmute yourself and tell your story. Hazel, unmute yourself and then tell your story.
There were 4 Mama, Papa, and brother and sister and the baby. They were walking, and the baby was very hungry. And then the Mama bought and Papa brought from their ice cream in the ice cream shop. Then they eat the ice cream. Then the baby wants to play. Then they go to the playground. Then they play so much. Then they want to go to home. They go home.
Very nice.
Very nice, very nice. I have a question for you, Hazel. Where is the number 6 in your story? It was one of the cards. You had to use all the 4 cards, right?
Madam.
It's okay, it's okay. Next time, just remember this. Okay, yes, Kridan, you go ahead.
There was a family of 4. Mama, Papa, brother and sister. And they want to go at 6 o'clock to walk. And the baby wants to play in the playground. Then Mama, Papa take the brother and sister to the playground.
Very nice. Now,
Tanushri.
Tanushri's turn.
Next is Sunidhi. Please be ready with your turns. Aditya, after Sunidhi, you.
There was They went for a walk to the park. The little girl got a balloon.
Okay, lovely.
They got a pizza with 6 slices.
Very nice.
And anything else?
Talk to her, Tanushree.
No? Okay, next time this was way better than the last time, but wonderful story. Okay, and next time more interesting stories, right, Tanushree? Yes? Okay. Sunidhi, your turn. Go ahead. Everyone can put their hands down. Your hands will start aching. I will feel bad. Neha ma'am will feel bad. We'll come to you. Don't worry. We are not going anywhere. Okay. Yes. Sunidhi's turn. Then Aditya. Then Tanishka. And then Lavya. Lavya, you can continue to dance till then. Okay?
There was the family, mommy, papa, and brother, sister, baby. And baby was very hungry. And they eat ice cream and go to home. In 6 o'clock, they go to playground and sister, brother, baby play and they go to home happily.
Very nice. Very nice. Next up, we have Aditya's turn. Aditya, yes? Finally. Ma'am, I can stop raising my hand. Yes.
Okay. A big family, one family had a big lunch and their tummies were very full. Okay. Then after that they wanted to go outside and they walked to the park and they took 6 rounds and digested their stomach and went back at 7 o'clock.
That was an
Lovely.
interesting one.
Very unique. See, that's how I like all these stories. All these stories were very different. See, lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Next is Lavya. Next, there. Oh, Tanishka's turn was there. Tanishka, yes, your turn. Lavya, after this, you can go ahead.
There was a family. They want to go to a party. They go walking and they found a bench. They sit there. Then they saw a clothes shop. Then they go inside the shop and buy what they want to buy for the party. Then there were six people standing outside.
Very
Very
nice.
nice. Very unique. Okay. Next, we have Lavya and then Ananya and Hirat and then Kushagra and then everyone else. Lavya, yes, your turn.
There were four people, Mama, Papa, and 2 children. They were going to the park, and 6 cops stopped them. Where are you going? It's 10 o'clock at the night. Thank you.
Very nice.
nice.
Very nice. How did you think of the cop part? Where did 6 cops come from?
They come from. You see them on the road. Where are you going somewhere?
Okay. Lovely. Ananya and Hirat, yes, one by one, please tell us your stories. And then we have Kushagra and Ali. And then Ayan. Yes.
One day, a mother and father and 3 children were both at home. One day, they decided to go to the park. At 6 o'clock in the 6 o'clock at the evening, and then they saw a cop saying, "Why are you going at 6 o'clock?" And then the mama and papa said, "Because our children are bored, please let us go in." Then they said, "Okay, you can go in."
Okay, lovely. Ananya, Hirath, your story. You're a little bit tired right now. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Will you share your story later? Okay, we'll
Okay.
wait. Then, Kushagri, your
Start.
turn.
One day, one family go for a walk. They found a big shop. It has everything: toys, cake, ice cream, and they borrow something to eat tonight and 6 toffees for their brother, sister, baby. Thank you.
Very nice. Now it's Ali's turn.
4 फैमिली थी। एक फैमिली थी, उसमें 4 मेंबर थे। वो शाम को 6 बजे वॉक में गए। उन्होंने वहाँ पे बहुत मजे करे, आइसक्रीम खाई, चॉकलेट खाई, और वो रात के 8 बजे चले गए। घर चले गए।
Very nice, Ali.
Ayan is left.
Okay, Ayan, now it's your turn.
One day, in the farm house, the duckling was living with 6 ducklings. One day, all ducklings was hungry. The mother duck was walk long and bring food from them. And they become happy. Thank you.
Okay, Ayan.
Okay, can we
That
all clap
was
for
the-
each other?
Yes. Very
I
nice.
am super happy with all the stories this time. 5 sentences, math words, such lovely and such different stories, everyone. Wonderful. Okay. Now we are going to do one more round and then we will change the game. Okay. One last round for this game and then we come to the different game. Everyone ready?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm
Neha
ready.
ma'am? Yes, you can go ahead and explain this last round also and then we'll change. Okay.
Yes.
Let me change the slide. Wait, let me change it. Yes, you can use this.
Okay. Now here we have a word eat, and we can see that there is a dining table and where we can eat, and there is a girl having her fruits, and it's 8 p.m. Now you have to use all these 4 cards and make your own story. Okay, Ayan, you have to remember that we have to use all these 4 cards and make our own story.
5 sentences, math word is important. 5 sentences are important. Different stories, very, very important. Okay. I want different stories from everybody. And this time I am going to begin with Tanishka. Everyone, please be ready with your stories. I'm going to hide the screen in another 10 seconds. Okay. Yes. I hope everyone is ready. Tanishka, yes, you go first.
There was a girl, she was hungry. She was eating her breakfast on 8 p.m. on her dining table. She ate her breakfast and Then she read the storybook.
Okay, okay. Tanishka, one thing, when somebody is eating their breakfast, breakfast time is in the morning, okay?
Morning.
And the morning time is AM time, okay? This is PM. So you can say, Tanishka, the girl had her dinner or maybe fruits for dinner at 8 p.m., okay?
Okay, ma'am.
PM time is the night time, afternoon time, AM time is the morning time, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Who goes next? Who goes next?
Okay, so many children are raising their hands.
Yes, yes. Sunidhi, yes, you go ahead.
The girl was hungry and he ate dinner at 8 p.m. and sleep happily.
Okay.
Okay.
Firstly, she. You use the word he. Okay. So when you see a girl, you have to use the word she. Another thing is, your story had only 3 sentences. I said 5 sentences. What about that?
Do you want to add something?
Yeah.
Kushagra, you go next.
And she ate and she sleep and he ate breakfast in the morning after bathing at 8 a.m.
Very nice. Now, Kushag, it's your turn.
One day, a girl going to work and he feel hungry and his mom give him fruits and he cried for Mikhani and they go to ice cream shop and they buy a ice cream, sit on the dining table and number 6 ice creams go on the house and the baby mama has eaten the all ice cream. Thank you.
Very
Kushagra has
nice.
mixed all these stories. Lovely. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead with Lavya. Lavya, Aditya, you go next and then Ananya and Dheeraj.
One day at 8 p.m., mother was saying, the girl, eat your dinner. But the girl said, at 8 p.m., it's my TV coming, so I will eat my dinner with it. Then mother said, no, sit on the dining table and eat. Thank you.
Very
Lovely.
nice.
But is that girl Lavya? Because Lavya loves watching TV. We know. Okay. Yes, Aditya, you go ahead.
Okay. There was a girl named Susie. At 8 o'clock, her stomach was started rumbling, and then she asked her mother to cook food for her, and then Mama warmed the food, and she sat at the dining table and ate her food.
Very nice.
Very nice. Ananya and Dheeraj, please switch on your camera. Your turn is next and then Ali. I'm not sure if they're here. Yes, they're here.
Yes.
Dheeraj, would you like to go ahead and tell your story? Kridan and Hazel after this. After Ali's turn, then it's your turn. Okay, don't worry. Dheeraj, we can't hear you.
You have to be a little loud. Yes, you can make a different story, but you have to use four cards only.
Tanushree, after this.
What are the 4 cards?
Okay, let
Oh,
me show you the 4 cards. These are the 4 cards.
the word eat and the place where we eat, dining table, and there is a girl and there is 8 p.m. You have to use these 4 cards and you have to make 5 sentence story, and there should be one mathematical number also.
So there was a girl who wanted to eat at 8 p.m. So then the father gave that girl some food at 8 p.m. for her to eat on the dining table.
Okay,
Okay.
very nice. Tanushree, you go ahead. Ali, next is your turn. Oh, Ananya is left.
Ananya.
Ananya, after this, sorry. Let Tanushree go ahead and then we'll come to you. Tanushree, yes.
There was a girl called Anna. She was 6 years old. Tell her, why are you looking at me?
It's okay. Let her say.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm just going to connect the charger.
Sure. Tanushree, continue with your story.
She was having dinner.
Hmm.
Her parents told her after dinner you should go to bed because it was 8 o'clock. Thank you.
Lovely.
Ma'am,
Very
can
nice.
I please log her in from my phone because the laptop's charging is going on.
Sure.
Yes.
No
Thank you.
issues. Ananya, you go ahead, your turn.
One day, a girl wanted to eat at 8 o'clock p.m.
Okay.
and her mom was working in the kitchen and she asked her mom, "Can I eat some cookies?" And the mom said, "Okay." And then she ate all of the cookies. Then she got hurt in her teeth. Then her mom said, "Let's go to the dentist." And then she was very, very nervous to go. And the mom took her to the dentist. And after she came back, she was perfectly fine.
Very nice.
Yes, very nice.
Okay, Ali's turn. And then we have Hazel and Kridan. Kushagra, your turn is done. Do you want to say anything? Ali, yes, go ahead.
शाम दोपहर को सब बच्चों ने डिनर किया, लंच किया। शाम को एक लड़की फ्रूट खा रही थी। रात को गेस्ट आने वाले थे। सब बच्चों ने डिनर बनाया। सब डाइनिंग टेबल पर बैठकर डिनर करी।
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay. Yes,
Now,
Hazel and Kridan. Last 2 turns left and then we go ahead. Tanishka, is your turn done?
They were night. Then the baby wake up. Then there was morning at 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Then the baby and the mother and the papa, they wake up And then they take shower, then they do brush, then they eat breakfast. Then the papa was going to office. Then they play. Then they do study. Done.
Lovely, lovely.
Very good.
Yes, Kridan, your turn last.
क्या था मेरा?
बोलो.
How
I
would Mama
forgot
know?
this
It's your story, na?
Once at 8 p.m.
Once at 8 p.m., the sister was hungry and the sister said to her mama that I want to eat food. Then mama gave food to the sister. And she ate.
Ananya and Hirat, why do you want to leave? What happened?
On the dining table.
You want to go and play? Okay, okay.
Okay.
So we just are left with one last game.
One game.
Okay, would you like to go ahead? Should I tell? I think everyone has told their stories, and Neha ma'am and I also wanted to tell our stories. So we have made a game for all of you. This is called the math story cards. Okay, this is a very small game, and we have 4 sets of cards here. Here is a subject card which has a person or a child or somebody on this card. Then we have an object card which can be an apple, mango, bus, anything, any object, anything around you. Then we have a math card. Let's say this is 2 times. So it has a number 2 times. So this is the math card. And then we have the action card. Actions means the things that we perform, the actions, drink, walk, sleep. Okay. So we have 4 sets of cards here. And you can see all the sets here with me. Okay, these are 13 cards or 15 cards, then there are 15 more cards, then there are 15 more cards, and then there are 15 more cards. Okay, how do we play this game? You choose a card from each of the set. Choose a card. Okay, I have chosen 4 cards from each of the set, and then you make your story. So every time you get a new set of cards, every time you make a story. Okay, every single time you will get to make a story. Let's say when I chose this card, I had a father and a baby, drink 2 times, and word apple. Okay, so my story will be there is a father and a child. They drink milk 2 times a day to keep themselves healthy, and they always eat apple because we know an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, so I made my very small story. Everyone can make their stories. Okay, so so we have made this game for you. Do you want to have this game? Do you want to buy it? Okay, so what I'm going to do, if your parents are around, I'm going to share a link in the chat box. You can use that. Okay, I'm going to share it right away. Just give me a second.
Apurva, can you share the link in our group or maybe?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share in the group also.
Yeah, perfect.
Mom,
Yes.
I want to buy this.
I can't hear you, Hirat. Can you repeat again?
Hirat said that she doesn't want to buy this game.
It's okay. That is okay.
Mom, my
Yes.
mom is not here.
It's okay. I'm sending the link in the chat box.
Yes, what, Kushal?
I want to buy that game.
Okay, I shared
Okay.
the link in chat box. When you click on it, the link will open. I will share in the group also.
Me too. I also want to buy it.
Okay, I will share it with Mama
Okay.
Ananya. I have Mama's number. I'll share it with her. Okay, so this is a very small box. Tanusha, I'll share with Mama. Neha ma'am
Yes.
will also share with all the students.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like to share anything before we end today's storytelling session? Do you want to share anything? Say anything? Okay, so can we go? We are going to meet next time. Oh, Lavya wanted to show her cards. Yes, Lavya.
Okay.
Tell us what are your emotion cards. I am excited to see them. Yes. Can you read them?
Upset.
Okay, okay.
Confused.
Very nice. Okay.
Surprised.
Next is happy,
Happy.
sad, unwell, cranky. Okay, okay. Ma'am, did you buy these cards from somewhere?